Okay, this is the blue range that I've been sent, and I'm going to deal with the e-cigarette, the blue vaping e-cigarette. Now they've sent me tobacco, but I prefer this menthol they've sent me as well, and it's strong in flavour. It's quite nice, so that's what I'm going to use. Now this is all in a matte design, matte black, nice blue button on the top and illuminates at the bottom as well. And then the tank is an EVOD style, and that's also black and quite flush with a clear blue little window there, and those little holes at the bottom are the air inputs. Now to fill this tank, it's a top fill, so we need to screw off the top. This is quite easy. Now this is quite an interesting design. I haven't seen one with this quite such a large tube inside, like this plastic bit. I don't understand that, but so I'm going to fill this up with the blue menthol, which is, I'm using strength 1.8%. Now just to let you know, this insert in the box is foam, and just by pulling the little tag I get to the back where you do have instructions, and you also have the charger, the USB charger. So the USB would go into, for example, a laptop. Maybe you've got a USB plug charger, and then you would screw the battery in like this and put it on charge. So that's all nicely designed there. Right, so I'm going to fill this up, and we basically put the juice in down the side, the e-liquid, and you can see that going in there. So this is like an indicator to see how much you put in. So I'm going to put in about 3/4. Carefully does it for the first time. There we go. Okay, put the lid back on so we don't have an accident, and then screw on the tip. Now I did notice this has kind of got little resistance, like little springs, and everything has to be pushed a little bit. Even this part, putting this battery on, I had to push it to get past this kind of springy bit, and then it would, the threads would connect and I could screw that up. I'm supposed to take just a couple of puffs to prime it, just to warm it up. There was a bit of vape there, a cloud. This blue though, I have been having this quite a lot because it is really strong menthol. It's, you know, if you've got used to some of the others, you know, I'm finding the flavour's a bit bland. This one is not bland. If anything, sometimes it's just a little bit too strong. This is the first time I've used this, and it is quite a sleek looking thing. All the blackness, the cool blue doesn't illuminate. I want to light it up, does it? So it's got that little emblem, a little triangle at the bottom that lights up. It's not quite, it seems to be delivering quite well. I've taken a little while to try this one because I was using the Kick. I think these have improved since the days I started using these EVOD type battery small ones here. They do seem to have got a bit better. Whether I'm going to switch down to one of these, it's possible, because it's nice to go in the pocket compared to my big Kanga Aero Mega tank. Yeah, pretty good.